How to set up a farm and map your paddocks in ProductionWise. Setting up your farm in ProductionWise is the primary step required before getting further into the system. This process is undertaken through automatically importing an existing paddock boundary dataset or through manual mapping of paddocks within the system. To manually map your paddocks in ProductionWise, go to the Farms tab. Click on New Farm icon located above the map viewer and name your farm. To locate the farm, you can use the search button by clicking on the magnifying glass located in the top left of the screen and type in a nearby town or location. To start mapping paddocks within your farm, click the paddock button located on the top right hand side of the screen. Select the type of shape of your paddock. You can choose either a polygon for most standard paddocks or a circle shape for pivot irrigated paddocks. Zoom to an appropriate level and start mapping the paddock boundary by dropping points on the boundary as necessary. To close the shape or finish, click back on the first point. You can adjust the paddock boundary by dragging the points to a new location or extend the points by clicking and dragging the lighter coloured midpoints. If you want to erase a point, simply click on the point and it will be removed. You can enter the details for the paddock you just mapped. Give the paddock a name and optionally you can enter other information into the reference field. You can edit the arable area, which is the area ProductionWise attributes to paddock operations. ProductionWise offers paddock yield forecasting capabilities through the Crop Tracker Decision Support tool based on the integration of the APSIM yield prediction model. For every paddock, an APSIM soil characterization is required to be selected in order for the model to forecast yields. ProductionWise automatically selects the closest soil type stored in our database for your paddock. If the soil type automatically selected is incorrect, simply select the most relevant soil type suited for your paddock. You can do this by viewing the number of different parameters for each of the soil characterizations. You can always edit the information later if you are not sure. To map a pivot paddock, follow the same procedure. Click in the middle of the paddock and extend your shape to the extents of the paddock. To map grain storages in ProductionWise, click on the storage button and locate the grain storage on the map. Drop a pin on the map and provide details and click Save. Repeat the process until you've mapped all your on-farm grain storages.